What is up, everyone? It's me, Firestart, and welcome back to another Airsoft video. Today, me and Sentinel are doing 2v2s with two of our other friends somewhere in the backyard. I had a lot of fun recording this, and big thanks to everyone who came out to play. Without further ado, let's get into the video.
I say this every video. You notice that? Like every video, I say get to your base. That's like my catch line. Is saying get to your base. Test fire! Nice shot. Yeah, I know, right? That was pretty good. Alright. Sweet. Alright. Ready? Are you guys ready? Alright, 3, 2, 1, go!
I can see both of them up there, and that's where I'm going to try and keep them. I'm going to keep shooting to keep them pinned down in that area so they don't push forward.
Yep. Right here? Yeah, you see him? You're hit?
Wow, I was not expecting to hit him from this far away. That's really good for our team though, because that means there's one more guy over there. So I'm going to push and see if I can get the last person.
Hey, so you're already out? I feel bad.
Apparently, the other player hasn't heard me stomping my way up here. So I'm going to try and stay quiet and keep the element of surprise in case I need it.
Hit? Trent, we won!
And that is the end-round one with a headshot as the final kill. Mwah. Beautiful.
Bro. Oh, good game, man. Is there like a red dot?
Yeah, it's recording.
Sweet.
Yeah, man.
Is it?
Yes.
Alright.
Wait
All
a
right,
second.
round two.
All right, we're
Since we
good.
won the first round, I'm not super worried about losing this round. All we got to do is win, and we win. What more is to be said?
Alright, tell us when to go. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, they are gonna move up. I'm gonna move up a little bit.
Alright, I just saw one of them on one of the trails that leads to my trail. So I'm going to sit up here and wait, and hopefully he doesn't realize I'm here. Let's see if it works.
They're moving up.
Alright, let's put up the LMG. How about that?
Aiden's just sitting. Yeah. Austin, stop. Make sure it's bound. Because I went up and almost shot Austin. He was coming onto the trail. But I think he's spooked and just sitting there now.
Alright.
I need to talk louder so my audience can hear me.
Okay.
Yep.
That's an issue.
Oh, I see him over there in his hat. Oh, I see him. He's moving up.
You can't see it in the video, but one of the enemies was moving up that trail in front of us. That's why Sentinel decided to pull out his LMG and just destroy all of it.
Won't be doing that slope down lower.
You're do whatever you want, man. I saw him over there. Good. Sitting over here in the brush somewhere. Careful, careful. No, he's at the corner, watch him. Keep him pinned. I'm out. Reloading. To my spot, you can. I'm moving. There's Sentinel, gosh. You good?
The reason I asked if he was good is because he had fallen over while I was shooting at him, and
Sorry, I
that
feel
made
like
me
that was
kind of
cheap.
feel like it was a cheap shot. As I was shooting at him, he yelled out, "I'm out of ammo! I'm out of ammo!"
So do you surrender? He surrendered! Well, he's out of ammo. Yeah. Alright, well, that's game.
Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. We won both rounds. All right, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. I'll see you guys next time.